What I'm going to do for you on this video is show you some crypto exchanges that you can use, okay? I do have some preferred ones. I'm going to show you 4 of them right now, but again, do your own research into any crypto exchanges. Please note this disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Do this for educational purpose only. Let's start with number 1. So number 1 is Kraken, guys. Kraken is very, very popular, especially where I'm from in the United Kingdom, all right? You can actually sign up and get a deal today as well. There is a little referral going on, okay? And you can buy crypto with just $10. It's really cool. It's on the App Store, it's on the Google Play. You gotta go to kraken.com and download it. Buying and selling crypto in minutes. There's over 9 million plus clients, over 190 plus supported countries right now, over 207 billion quarterly trading volume. And the reason everyone loves Kraken is because you can actually use Kraken to withdraw every crypto, USDT, TLC20, all these kind of things before you even get KYC'd, guys. And that's a really important factor because some people just want to get their money out on an exchange straight away. The one thing I will say about Kraken is they do tend to stop your account being able to trade if you're not using it to actually trade crypto. If you're just using it to pull money from a different platform through it, it might clock on and stop you. I've heard of that happening before, but I do like Kraken if you want to get fast money out. You can easily create an account, all right, connect your funding method and buy and sell over 200 plus cryptocurrencies. I really think it's simple. It's very user-friendly, all right? It makes it easy to build and sell crypto using the mobile apps. It's got education on there and the service is actually pretty good with the service, all right? There's loads of different rewards you can get just like any other exchange. That's number 1. Let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is the giant Coinbase, all right? Coinbase is huge. Everybody knows about it. You're here to jumpstart your crypto portfolio. Coinbase is probably the one for you if you're holding serious crypto money, right? I wouldn't have the majority of mine in Kraken. I would have it in Coinbase, and that's purely my own preference. So guys, if you want to go on Coinbase, just like every other exchange, they have so many stuff on there. They got Web3, they got learning, they got all the things. If you want to get involved with the developing side, you can read about the company. But more importantly, there's a lot of different ways that you can move your crypto around inside the Coinbase ecosystem. They also have a card for you. All right, you can actually use a card to pay with it, which is really cool. It's one of the most trusted cryptocurrencies platforms out there. All right, they've got the security storage, protected insurance up to $250,000. Okay, $250,000 and the industry best practices on here. There's over 145 billion quarterly volume, over 100 plus countries supporting, over 110 million verified users. So guys, super easy. Create an account, link your bank account, start buying and selling. That's number 2. Let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is crypto.com, and crypto.com is by far my favorite. I can even show you, right? Crypto.com card right here. Use it all the time. You give it a metal card with loads of reward. It's trusted by over 80 million worldwide users. It's leader in regulatory compliance and security certifications, the industry's most comprehensive insurance coverage and verified proof of reserves. Guys, download the app, get involved. It's super easy, especially if you're in the United Kingdom, right? This is a fantastic app for you. You do get the card and you get loads of rewards. Like I get to go into airport lounges and use them for free now because of my rewards. You can stake, make loads of money on here, right? Buy at the true cost. It is one of the best exchanges I've seen for prices. And the card is just fantastic, guys. You see these teeth? These are fake teeth. I bought them with this crypto card. That is no joke, all right? This card works everywhere in the world. You get up to 5% back on all your spending. Stuff with free Netflix, free Spotify, things like that, all added into it, guys. So crypto.com is number 3. Let's move on to number 4. Crypto.com is my favorite, but number 4, Gemini, is a lot of people's favorites. All right, you can buy crypto instantly and start getting involved. The reason I love Gemini is it's super quick. You download it, you're involved. All right, straight away. It's got high performance tools for active traders. So if you want to get trading on there, fantastic. It's the premier NFT marketplace with nifty gateway, industry leading security from day one. All right, they got safe security and compliance already projected inside of this with a licensed New York trust company. This is what you need. SOS certifications, hardware security keys, insurance coverage. So you're going to be absolutely secure as they say, but please do your own research and note the disclaimer at the start of the video. A simple, secure way to buy and sell cryptocurrency is here. So guys, that's number 4, Gemini. Please note that all of these are just 4 out of millions of exchanges. You got to do your own research. Just 4 that I really like and wanted to show with you today. There you go, guys. Thank you so much. Do your own research again, but please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.